In this video, we will see some basic problems on simple machines. Let us start with the question number 1. Here it is given, the velocity ratio of a certain lifting machine is 25. Determine the effort required to lift a load of 900 Newton if efficiency of the machine is 63.8%. Whatever is given here, I will write that in the form of data first. So here I'll write the data. The velocity ratio of a certain lifting machine is 25. So VR is given 25. Determine the effort required to lift a load of. Effort has been asked. Effort is denoted by P. This is the question. To lift a load of 900 Newton. Load is 900. If efficiency of the machine is 63.8%. I'll convert it into a number which is 0.638. Now this is the question in front of us. Let us find the solution for this. Solution. Since efficiency is given, so I'll start the problem from efficiency. Since efficiency is given by the formula of efficiency, which is very simple, it is mechanical advantage upon velocity ratio. Therefore, efficiency is given as 0.638. Mechanical advantage value we don't have. Velocity ratio is given as 25. So from this I will get the answer of mechanical advantage, that will be 0.638 into 25. So therefore mechanical advantage is equal to 15.95. Now I can say that also this MA is equal to W upon P. It's equal to 15.95. So finally effort has been asked. Effort P will be equal to, I will shift 15.95 into the denominator, so W upon 15.95. Therefore P is equal to, W is given in the question, it is 900 Newton, so 900 divided by 15.95. therefore effort value, it is 56.43 Newton. This is the answer. And as we can see in this problem, since load was 900, effort is 56.43, load is greater than effort, therefore the machine is a simple machine. So effort was asked and we have calculated the value. With this we complete the problem.